Challenging behaviors. Aaron loved numbers. He counted everything. He was number crazy. Aaron liked the calendar. He counted the days. Aaron liked to watch the clock. He counted every minute. Aaron wrote the time on the windows. He wrote numbers on the walls. He wrote numbers on the doors. He wrote numbers on the furniture. Aaron wrote numbers on himself. He wanted to see numbers everywhere. Mommy was frustrated. Mommy was mad. She didn't want Aaron to write numbers all over the house. Now she had to clean up Aaron's mess. Aaron should have written numbers on paper. Aaron should have written numbers on a whiteboard. Aaron should have written numbers on a chalkboard. Aaron should have written numbers on the sidewalk. Aaron should have written numbers on the back porch. Aaron should have played with magnetic numbers. Aaron should have played with number cards. Aaron should have played with the number puzzle. Aaron should have played with the number toy. Aaron should have played with a calculator. Aaron should have written numbers in shaving cream. Aaron should have written numbers on his doodle-board. Aaron should have written numbers on sticky notes. Aaron should have watched a number movie. Aaron should have played a computer number game. Aaron should have made numbers out of Play-Doh. If Aaron drew numbers on a chalkboard, whiteboard, paper, sticky notes, the back porch, doodle-board, shower, played with number cards, puzzles, calculators, magnets, electronics, watched a number movie, or made numbers out of Play-Doh, he would have fun. The walls and the furniture would not get ruined. Everyone would be proud of Aaron. Aaron liked to chew. He chewed his books. He chewed his toys. He chewed his cups. He chewed his juice boxes. He chewed his pencils. He chewed the remote. He chewed his crayons. He chewed his shirts. He chewed the washcloths. He chewed the furniture. He chewed the blinds. He chewed his DVDs. Mommy was frustrated. Mommy was mad. She did not want Aaron to chew on things. Now Aaron's shirts, DVDs, remotes, furniture, blinds, toys, books, crayons, pencils, and cups were ruined. They had to be thrown away. Aaron should have chewed on gum. Aaron should have chewed on chewy tubes. Aaron should have chewed on carrots. Aaron should have chewed on apples. Aaron should have chewed on animal crackers. If Aaron chewed gum, chewy tubes, carrots, apples, or animal crackers, he would be happy. His shirts, DVDs, remotes, blinds, furniture, toys, books, crayons, pencils, and cups would not be chewed up. Everyone would be proud of Aaron. Aaron liked to pick things. He picked the keys off the keyboard. He picked his nose. He picked holes in his clothes. He picked the side rails on his bed. He picked the furniture. He made little holes into big holes. Daddy didn't want Aaron to pick things. Now Aaron's clothes, keyboard, furniture, and bed rail were ruined. They had to be thrown away. Aaron should have peeled an orange. Aaron should have played with stickers. Aaron should have played with Play-Doh. If Aaron peeled an orange or stickers or played with Play-Doh, he would have fun. Everyone would be proud of Aaron. Aaron liked ripping books. He liked the sound it made. He felt powerful when he tore paper. Daddy did not want Aaron to rip up his books. Aaron didn't understand that ripped up books and paper can't be fixed. They had to be thrown away. Aaron should have ripped up an old newspaper. Aaron should have ripped up an old magazine. Aaron should have ripped up an old catalog. Aaron should have ripped up flyers. Aaron should have ripped up a paper bag. If Aaron ripped up a paper bag, newspaper, flyer, catalog, or magazine, He would have fun. His books would not be ripped up. Everyone would be proud of Aaron. Aaron liked to laugh. He liked to fill his mouth full of water. He thought it was funny to laugh and spit water on things. He spit water on the floor. He spit water on the bed. He spit water on the computer. Mommy did not think it was funny. She did not want Aaron to laugh and spit water. Someone could slip and fall on the wet floor. Wet beds are not fun to sleep in. Computers can break if they get wet. Aaron should have laughed and spit water in the shower. Aaron should have laughed and spit water in the sink. Aaron should have laughed and spit water in the bathtub. Aaron should have laughed and spit water outside. Aaron should have laughed and spit water in the pool. If Aaron spit water in the sink, shower, bathtub, pool, or outside, he would have fun. The floor, bed, and computer would not get wet. Everyone would be proud of Aaron. Aaron was a messy eater. He threw his food on the floor. He threw his wrappers on the floor. He squeezed his juice box on the floor. The floor was a sticky mess. Mommy was frustrated. Nothing stayed on Aaron's plate. Aaron did not like using silverware. He wanted to use his hands to eat. Aaron's hands were goopy. Mommy was not happy with Aaron's mess. She wanted Aaron to eat with silverware. She did not want Aaron to eat with his hands, throw food on the floor, or squeeze juice out of the box. Aaron should have sat down at the table to eat. Aaron should have used good manners. Aaron should have thrown wrappers in the garbage can. If Aaron ate at the table with good manners, used silverware, not thrown food on the floor, and thrown his wrappers in the garbage, he would be happy. Everyone would be proud of Aaron. Aaron didn't like wearing clothes. He liked being naked. He usually just wore underwear. He didn't understand that private parts should be covered. They are private. You shouldn't stand naked in front of a window or door. People outside might see you. People should not see you naked. If you don't wear clothes, your house will be dirty. Bare butts on the furniture can make people sick. Aaron should have worn clothes. Aaron should have only been naked in the bath. Aaron should have only been naked in the shower. Aaron should have only been naked in the bathroom. If Aaron wore clothes, everyone would be happy. Aaron would be a good boy. Everyone would be proud of Aaron.